No, actually, my heartbeat was a little bit there. So, but I was enjoying it. I did it. Means I wanted to try. So it was a good experience.
Nice. So that was the good place that you last went.
Yeah, where I last went after the England tour. So I had some days. So I wanted to go and see.
Nice. But ये parties attract नहीं करती?
नहीं, मुझे नहीं करती बिल्कुल.
शुरू से ही नहीं करती?
शुरू से ही, क्योंकि शुरू से कभी देखा ही नहीं, तो कभी ऐसा इतना मन हुआ नहीं मुझे. और देन आई नो व्हाट इज इम्पोर्टेंट फॉर मी टू पुट माई फोकस इन. सो आई नो हाउ आई नीड, बिकॉज as a sportsman, I know that I have to be very disciplined on my routines. I have to be very disciplined on my sleep as well. So I want to stay in bed as soon as possible when I'm playing, especially test matches. So I love doing those things which can give me little bit, which can help me to improve my game. So I always think like that, and I always believe in those routines and those,
nice,
structure wise, how you do your daily days. So that I do a lot.
Fair. Tell me your origin story. एकदम basic, day one, first time cricket bat कब पकड़ा, आइडिया कहाँ से आया कि क्रिकेट खेलूंगा मैं?
आइडिया मतलब हम जैसे ऐसे खेलते रहते थे ना घर पे, तो मेरे पापा, उनको बहुत शौक था क्रिकेट का. सो he still loves cricket. So when we were watching one cricket game, so Sachin sir was batting for India. So my father, and he made a century. So my father gets very excited. ये वो कि wow, क्या batting किया है, बहुत ज़्यादा, मतलब big fan. तो then I was very happy seeing him happy. So I wanted. Then he said, Papa, I want to play for India. So he says, yes, you will. If he can do it, you can also do it. So that thought came actually from him.
क्योंकि तुझे पापा को हैप्पी करना था.
Yes.
Okay.
तो फिर मुझे लगा हाँ मैं भी कर सकता हूँ. तो then I started playing, and I used to enjoy playing a lot.
How old were you?
I was very young, like I don't exactly remember.
4, 5, 6 type.
हाँ वैसे ही कुछ होगा. But I used to love cricket. I just, it's just pure love, where I do enjoy a lot playing cricket, and I'm just playing.
Okay.
So wherever you just tell me, okay, go and play, I'll play the whole day. So I'll be fine. So that is what it was.
ठीक है. So that's when you started first time. पापा strict थे क्रिकेट को लेके?
पापा हमेशा सपोर्ट करते थे. पापा बोलते थे बेटा मेहनत करते रहो, अपने जो तुम्हारा काम है उससे ईमानदारी से अपना काम करो.